Hello and welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. Hope so all of you are fine. After death of legend Shane Warne, everyone is in deep sorrow. His ex-wife have also lost her emotion. His ex-wife Simone Callahan breaks silence. She has issued a brief statement after the death of legend Warne. Ex-wife Simone Callahan posted a heartbreaking tribute to the late cricketer after a star following his death. She was almost married to Shane Warne for 10 years. She requested to all the fans of cricket to pray for him. She said he was not only a good cricketer but also a good husband. No one can replace him. Now, if you are also a fan of Shane Warne, just subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more detail. Thank you for watching.